Did you know you can have up to 4 profile pictures on Instagram? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So when somebody else is on your profile, you can see it's going to actually swipe through the photos, and if they click on them, they'll be able to see all of your profile pictures that you've added. So you'll have one main one, and the rest will swipe through when they first go onto your account. To actually change this and add up to 4 photos, you need to go to your profile picture you want to change the photos on. Then go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, you can click on Edit Profile, and by doing so, you can then click on Edit Pictures or Avatar. Once you've done that, it will load up a plus icon where you can click and add photos. So if you've only got one by default, you will see this plus icon. You can click on that, and then you can go ahead and select up to 4 photos. So I'm going to select just these 3 pictures. We can click done, and then as you can see in a second, these will be added to our profile. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.